shapes. And what I am using is a Velvetty Gel's brush. It has a dual end. So one end is going to be a really high quality of bristles. So this is not sheddings during the time you apply for the clients. It's not like you are picking up and start working the clients and you cast sheddings, the hairs on for you. And then the other ends will be, spatula. So then you can able to get your Velvetty Gels out from yours, the jar. So make sure you are picking it and leave it up. Close this, and we are going to place it right close to the cuticles. And then we are going to put some bay gels. And the bay gel will be the key to definitely manipulating your Velvetty Gels. So let me move this nails away. Is this beautiful two nails I did yesterday. So you can definitely check them out from our IGTV, our Facebook videos, and YouTube as well. I saved them all for us, so then you can able to still enjoying it when you have, like, say if you have a busy schedule, you couldn't watch it live, you can definitely rewatching them when you have a moment, or when you're at home after you're done with dinner with the family. Put your kids, if you're having kids, like tuck the kids into the bed, and then you can have 5-10 minutes of watching, and you can fast forward your videos, so then you can able to see the important part that you want to see. So I am going to submerging my brush into the bay gels, and you can see that it's salt level already. And you see how I play the Velvetty Gels, just place it in, and you don't want to mess it up a lot because you don't want to create a lot of air bubble in there. So you just like apply and place your beads into the nails first, and then let it salt level. In the meantime, you are going to pick up the bay gels and able to manipulating this. Only you need to do, you don't need any water, you don't need any alcohol at all to manipulating it. All you need is just simply is bay gel, is spazzle formula. So then that way it's able to work accordingly. And then only you see that I just only is guiding my Velvetty Gels on this side. How simple it is. And do not have to worry about is like messing a lot with this. It's salt level, but it's not salt level crazy like a running, like you can't even chasing it. It definitely is work everything for you. And it's only you need to do is really using your brush and feather it and guide. You can see that I not even like finishing it, but it's already is smoothing for me without have to put a lot of effort in there. And it's now it's gonna be even like easier when you're doing on the client's nail or your nails. I'm gonna turn it upside down to get it like, just let the gravity is just is salt level for me. Now is really sculpting the way I wanted it. Then we are going to cure. So now is the best time if you want to doing your any of the glitter. Absolutely can add the glitter on. So we can add some glitter on. That's quite few way to doing it. If you are doing encapsulate, it's the best time to do it now. And then if you are going to do it later, absolutely you can use it later. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit of the Autumn Loves glitter. Give it a little bit of the love, which is a little bit tap. All right. And then we are picking it up some of the maple leaf. So there's few ways to doing this. I'm going to show you the really simple way so you don't have to using other techniques. Since it's still wet, I haven't cured nothing yet. This is great for even a beginner to start building his clienteles, and you are going to having still practice with your liquid and powder, still perfect with your bead. This is going to be your bestie to really like it transitioning from the Velvetty Gel to the liquid and powder. You know, I wish I have this one a long time ago when I start, so then it gonna boost it up me is better instead of look at it looks so much better in person though. Looks too sparkle and bright here. Okay, so let is flash here for 30 seconds, and this is also grape is glow in the dark as well, so it's gonna be lighter.
It's also thermal, so when we come it out, you see a lightly different color.
It's awesome.
And so a quick note, any product you see here today, if you want to get them, it will be available on GlitzSubscription.com. And for Kevin Kelly, yes, this will be available in the Orlando show. And for those of you going to come to the premiere Orlando show, this is October 17 and 18 in Orlando. We'll be there with 6851. Come
yes.
Guys, say hi and get some free gift from us.
Oh my God, we can't wait to see everyone. Kelly nails.
Oh
my gosh, yes, here you go.
You have your grape, and now it's so much better.
It looked like grape. It looked like what? It looks like more in the raspberry. No. Pinkberry.
So
I know it's all pinkberry.
Yep. In this particular set of Velvetty Gel, is thermal and glow in the dark. So you have more like 3 colors in one. You have your base color when it's cold. Then when you warm it up, it changes to that lightly pink color. And when you charge it up, or just a little bit, when you walk into the dark, it glows nicely. It glows really, really bright.
So I'm going to go ahead and hello everyone. Thank you so much for all of you tuning in. I appreciate every single of you. I couldn't grab like or catching all of you tuning in at first, but thank you. Juju, thank you. Hey Mika, thank you for the website. Mika is one of Glitz brand ambassador. Really, really humble. It's really cool. Really hardworking person. All of them are amazing. And then stay tuned for our brand ambassador is announcements coming up. We just have so many events one after another, so stay tuned. We are looking for more brand ambassador to enjoy our team, so stay tuned for a lot of information coming up. So basically we are going to do it just the crystal clear. You can see that I just really a gentle touch. It looks like I am doing a lot with this, but actually it's not. You can see that now Encapsulated looks so crystal clear. So I'm just doing it. It's right where is ombre is. I mean, not ombre, the encapsulated. But you blend it so then that way it will look smooth for you. And then you don't have to do a lot of shaping after that. Okay. So really thin coat of the crystal clear. So I'm going ahead and it's already set levels really well for me. So I absolutely enjoying it that. And if you feel like you can see the underside, right? See that how on the side is? It's already smooth and I didn't even filing or anything. It looks like you're finishing the products already. I promise you will never go wrong with this. It's absolutely something that I really, really appreciate. Look at that. The consistency when you apply it on is the bomb. And you're not feeling like, oh my god, my bead is running. Is not going to run like it speeds, you know, like 60 and 70 miles per hour. It's gonna be slow enough so then you can definitely manipulating it and control it. And also you have all the time in the world to guide it, and especially even when you're doing on the real human being hand, it's gonna be easier because if you like bam, you'll get it on there and it flow for you. But look at the size one more time before I key. I haven't keyed anything. It's still wet on my hand. I just want to show you how easy and how easy I just doing it live with you and just talking, and it is not running anywhere. Look at the bottom. That's it. Now we're gonna cure. But if you feel like, oh my gosh, I want to make sure I even it, so then you're gonna turn it like this for about 5 seconds. And then, well, less than that if you're doing on the human being hand. Even if you're doing on the real nails, it's gonna be even